Hey peoples, it's Michelle again, and sorry it's been a while since I did a video. I want to wish everybody a happy 2011. Hope everyone is well, and yes, well, here we go again. This Jasmine coming back from school because now they have a delayed, which in other words, nothing now.
Jasmine, I think you got poop. 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 No. Check your feet.
Looks nice outside, but once it gets dirty.
You got poop.
What happened? You got poo in your damn... But you better clean it. Ew, she got poo. Now everybody on YouTube is going to see poo.
No.
Aw, poor dog. This is going to be like the fourth storm that we had so far. Fourth storm, and we're only in January. It's ridiculous. I'm getting so sick of this.
Where?
See the kitty? Aw, dog don't want to walk. So I just wanted to make a video and say hi to everybody. Updates, let's see. Going to school, work, and family. Not much. But yeah, school is rough, work is rough, family as well. That's good. Kids are doing good. You know. Just been under the weather lately. That's why I haven't been doing any videos. And I think I suffer from that seasonal depression thing. Sad. So I'm not with winter. I hate winter. I hate it. Seriously hate it. Looks pretty when it comes down first. But then afterwards, yesterday this was all black. Everything was black. Nasty slush, ice everywhere. It was horrible. But now it looks like a nice winter wonderland again. Later on I have work, so yay me. She has to carry the dog. Aww. Did you walk Lucky? You can walk Lucky, right? See that little patch right there? Right there. At least so he could poop. Going back upstairs. Looks like a blizzard still going, but that's all the snow from the roofs. It's good that it's blowing away because the roof is going to get too heavy.
Eventually, it'll fall down.
It could collapse, yeah. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
What happened to you?
I went to school
Uh-huh.
at 8 o'clock,
Uh-huh.
and it's supposed to open at 10.
How does it feel?
I asked you if there was a delay.
There was no delay that I know of. Okay, there was no delay because Fox 5 News sucks. That's why. They didn't say nothing that there was a delay.
No, they take your video off and cut it.
Nah, I cut it. Shit.
They didn't call you about no delay.
No, they didn't say nothing, so sorry. Anyway, yeah, the only updates I have is it's still snowing here in Jersey. Winter is really horrible. And I can't wait till spring comes. School is horrible, like always. And work sucks. Hi everybody, it's Michelle. You're wondering who the hell is this ranting and raving. Just want to wish everybody a happy new year.
Tell who it is.
Shut up. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I'm sorry for not making any videos. Just been, like I said, under the weather. School, work, family, everything, you know, life. So, yeah, I hope everyone's doing well and have a happy new year. I'll be doing more videos on life goals for 2011, and all kinds of things, because my channel is like mix of anything. Anything goes with my channel, and that's exactly how I wanted it. So anything goes. All right, guys, you want to say bye? Stop eating the snow. Say bye, Jasmine.
Bye.
Ew, how does it taste?
It tastes kind of good. Only if you eat it from the top, not the bottom.
All right, say bye.
Bye.